Teacher, ladies and gentlemen. He's still very young, but very smart bird. And that is our baby Maxim. Come on, Max. What we gonna do now? We need attention. I'm gonna ask you one number from 1 until 10. Your favorite number. And Maxim will ring the bell with his number, okay? Let's try now. I need one number from 1 until 10. 7. The first number is number 7. Maxim, look at me. Look at me, Max. Number 7. One more time, Max. Number 7. Okay, 7 fingers, 7 bells, Maxim go. Correct, 7 bells. Okay, let's try one more time with another one number more. Which? Come on, one, it's too easy. Which? 5. Show me with your fingers. Yes, 10. Okay, 10. Sorry. The second number is number 10. Maxim, look at me. Number 10. One more time, Max. Number 10. Be careful. 10 fingers, 10 bells. Maxim, go. 10 bells. Correct. Ladies and gentlemen, it's amazing, incredible, but he can also calculate. Now I need 2 numbers from 1 until 10. 2 numbers from 1 until 10. 4 is the first number, and one more? 9. Okay, we have number 4 plus number 9. Maxim, be careful, it's a really big number. For you, Maxim, look at me. Number 4 plus number 9, Max. Don't give the answer. Maxim, number 4 plus number 9. Attention. 4 plus 9, Maxim, go. Correct. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, one more big applause for Maxim.